Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone XS and replace camera module. To disassemble iPhone XS, you need the following tools: screwdriver set, tweezers, plastic mediator, opening plastic tool, section cup for removing display. In description of this video I leave links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the lighting port. Using a hairdryer, heat the surface of display for 1 minute. It will make it easier to separate the display from the iPhone case. Apply a section cup to the bottom edge of display and pull up on the ring. Push the plastic mediator between the display and iPhone case. Now carefully separate the display from the iPhone case. Open iPhone by swinging the display to the right side like cover of a book. Next, unscrew the 4 screws on the metal panel using a tri-wing screwdriver and 1 screw using a PH00 screwdriver. Now you can remove the metal panel. Disconnect the battery cable from the main board and 3 cables of the display. Now you can remove the display. Unscrew 2 screws and remove metal panel. Disconnect 2 camera cable by prying them up from mainboard. Gently pry up camera and remove from iPhone frame. In the description of the video I have a link where you can buy a new camera for iPhone XS. Install the rear camera on iPhone frame and lightly press on camera. Set metal panel and fasten 2 screws. Now you can install the display and test how camera works before final assembly with gluing the iPhone case. Connect 3 cables from the display module to the mainboard and only after that connect the battery cable. Turn on the iPhone and let's check how everything works. If the iPhone works well, the next step is final assembly with gluing. Remove the old adhesive tape from the iPhone case. Using medicine alcohol, wipe the surface of iPhone housing where all tapes was located. Now take new adhesive tape and apply to the case. With this tape you save waterproof resistance of your iPhone. I leave link in the description where you can buy this adhesive tape. Connect 3 cables from the display to mainboard and only after that connect the battery cable to the mainboard. Set metal panel and fasten 5 screws. Turn over the display and press down the display around the perimeter of surface. Fasten two screws near the lighting port, and now you can turn on the iPhone and use it. Good luck!